Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, PanJam investment, considering a dividend here. An advisory has come out that the board of directors is going to be meeting to consider a dividend. That's PanJam Investments, the local conglomerate, one of the biggest conglomerates on the Jamaica Stock Exchange or the market. So in this case, the board of directors is getting together, coming up in terms of its schedule for March 2nd, 2021. It goes on to say that directors are going to consider a payment for a first interim dividend for 2021. Now, Salada Foods Jamaica, we did carry this a couple of weeks ago on Business Live talking about the resolution being considered, where the board now has approved. That's for the stock split increase and authorized share capital. So two big things here. So the board of directors for Salada, that's ticker symbol SALF, they got together, was held on February 19th, 2021, and they approved, but with an amendment to the earlier resolution. So instead of saying 500 million to 1.5 billion shares, which was a huge amount, whopping amount, we like to see that on Business Live, it's about making money. It was approved from 500 million to an unlimited number of ordinary shares. Next up, we got CAC, CAC 2000 Limited, considering a dividend too. It is dividend season, not just earnings season, folks. The board is going to get together and they make it very clear for the possibility of a dividend. The meeting is scheduled for coming up very close, March 4th, 2021 for CAC 2000, air conditioning company, engineering, so forth. Now, iCreate Limited, registering a better fourth quarter. That's what we want to see from this young company, but still making a loss overall. So tough times here for iCreate, the creative company, as the name says, and difficult times here, but it is a young company that we remind the market and Business Live. Revenues improving to Jamaican dollars 16.6 million from $6.8 million a year over year, or the prior year. So a nice jump there. That's more than 100% year over year. So congrats there to iCreate. Now the problem is the net loss did improve, but still a loss draining on the cash there. So the loss dropped to 6.4 million Jamaican from 21.5 million Jamaican, which is good to see, but still a loss there. That's for the Q4 2020 versus 2019. Last up, overseas markets, lows as expected. We've seen this with Restoration Hardware, a few other companies topping, not just topping, but beating Wall Street figures here or the street. Q4, same-store sales climbing a huge 28%. Huge numbers here, really beating expectations. Expectations were around 22%, so 28% growth here in same-store sales. Now to the numbers, Q4 net income, $978 million US. That's huge. I mean, just compare that to it. We haven't seen this growth even with some comparables to Lowe's or Home Depot, some other companies, even in the food space in the US. This is versus $509 million US. So near doubling, just under $1 billion US of net profit, net income. Huge numbers here from Lowe's. Talk about delivering and going forward. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.